we want to integrate 2x times e to the x squared with respect to x. Consider first having y equal to e to the x squared. If we differentiate this, dy dx is equal to e to the x squared, but then we have to multiply by the differential of the inside function, which is 2x. This gives us 2x e to the x squared. It follows, since integration and differentiation are reverse processes, that if we integrate 2x e to the x squared with respect to x, that we get e to the x squared plus a constant. You wouldn't necessarily be expected to spot that the integral was e to the x squared straight off. You can do it by this method if you're very familiar with all your differentials. However, there is a method called substitution, which we'll meet later, that enables you to do this type of integral.